Ah, lovely, isn't it? The bow of a canoe, gliding its way through a lovely northern marsh, early in the morning. A man and his canoe, witnessing the wilderness in its waking moments, here in the north of Canada, where we are free to enjoy the splendor of the wilderness and share it with the wild animals such as the deer, the moose, the wolf. Ah, that lovely bass that just jumped in front of us. Lovely, isn't it? If you haven't yet stepped out to the wilderness of Canada, perhaps you should. You're wasting your time in that little asphalt jungle. Yes, asphalt and concrete and bricks. And people. Too many people. How many people do you see here? A vast population. A vast population of one. One man, one canoe. And you can hear your voice echo through the wilderness. I can hear my voice echo through the wilderness. Perhaps you should step out of the box and enjoy what I see and feel here and now, which is splendor, peace, serenity, the wilderness. Thank you. Thank you very much. Peace and quiet.